हेलो एवरीवन। जैसा कि आप सभी जानते हैं कि दिसंबर 2018 का रिजल्ट आ चुका है, तो आज मैं आप सबके सामने प्रेजेंट करने जा रहा हूँ कंप्लीट डिटेल्स ऑफ नेट जेआरएफ कॉमर्स जून 2019। दिस वीडियो हैज़ बीन प्रिपेयर्ड बाय मी, विकास अभिषेक, and I qualified my JRF Commerce in December 2015 and June 2016. I have done my BCom honors from Hansraj College, Delhi University, and MCom from Delhi School of Economics, Delhi University. Also, I got rank 1 in BSNL JO Bihar Circle, and you can contact me on 8178-193-240 for any queries. Also, our team comprises of Jyoti Tandon. She has qualified her JRF Commerce in November 2017 and has done her BBE from Gargi College, Delhi University. Presently, she is pursuing her PhD from Indian Institute of Management, IIM Rohtak. And अगर आप हमारे चैनल से पहली बार जुड़ रहे हैं तो डू सब्सक्राइब द चैनल एंड क्लिक ऑन द बेल आइकन टू गेट द अपडेट्स ऑफ पेपर 1 and paper 2 commerce. Kindly check the description of the video so that you can download the syllabus in PDF format and you can join the free Facebook group. So in this video we are going to cover the new exam pattern, complete NET exam preparation group, NET commerce complete syllabus and the preparation strategy. तो सबसे पहले चेक करते हैं नेट एग्जाम पैटर्न. In June 2019, there is no change in the exam pattern. The exam will comprise of two papers. Paper 1 comprising of 50 questions in 1 hour and paper 2 consisting of 100 questions in 2 hours. There has been a change in the syllabus from June 2019 and the exam will be conducted in online mode, which will be computer based. So now let's check the complete details of NET exam preparation group, which we are running from the last 1 year. You can join the group, which is going to start from 15th of January, and the fee is just rupees 2099. This is only one time fee and you don't need to pay any extra amount till next upcoming 6 months. In December 2018 attempt, 37 members qualified their NET or JRF, 31 NET and 6 JRF. In July 2018 attempt, 34 members qualified NET or JRF from our group, 34 NET and 4 JRF. So in the group, you will get everything as per the changed and updated syllabus of NET Commerce. Then you will get the complete notes of all sections of paper 2 Commerce and paper 1 on daily basis. You will be provided with daily practice questions strictly based on NET exam pattern, and videos for some important and difficult topics will be provided. Within the stipulated time period, we will cover approximately 4000 questions with the correct answers, and by the end of May, we will cover the complete syllabus of both the papers. There will be one unit test for all the units of paper 1 and paper 2 commerce with individual evaluation of scores. मतलब कि जो भी टेस्ट होंगे उसके स्कोर्स आपको इंडिविजुअली मिलेंगे कि आपने कितना स्कोर किया है और बाकी मेंबर्स ने कितना स्कोर किया है उस टेस्ट में. There will be 5 full length tests completely based on the NET exam pattern after the completion of the syllabus. There are prizes for top members of full length test and prizes for the members who qualify their JRF in June attempt. Well maintained Facebook and WhatsApp group for providing questions and for proper discussion. So these are some of the reviews of our group. You can check the proofs in the following slide. So before much delay, let us now check the complete commerce syllabus for the June 2019 attempt. The unit 1 is business environment and international business, and it will comprise of the following topics. Earlier it used to be in two different units, business environment and international business, मगर अब इसको कंपाइल करके एक यूनिट में कर दिया गया है और इसमें ये सारे टॉपिक्स कवर होंगे. Concepts and elements of business environment, which will consist of economic environment, economic system, economic policies, etc. Then we have scope and importance of international business, globalization and its drivers, modes of entry into international business, theories of international trade, etc. Then we have to cover FDI, FPI, balance of payment, regional economic integration, international economic institutions like IMF, World Bank, UNCTAD, WTO. यूनिट 2 इज अकाउंटिंग एंड ऑडिटिंग। इसमें ऑडिटिंग को ऐड किया गया है और अकाउंटिंग में इंडियन अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड्स एंड IFRS को ऐड किया गया है। सो द टॉपिक्स आर बेसिक अकाउंटिंग प्रिंसिपल्स, कॉर्पोरेट अकाउंटिंग कंसिस्टिंग ऑफ एक्विजिशन, मर्जर, एमलगेमेशन, होल्डिंग कंपनी अकाउंट्स, cost and management accounting consisting of ABC analysis, then standard costing, budgetary control, JIT, financial statement analysis, human resource accounting, inflation accounting, environmental accounting. In auditing, we have to cover independent financial audit, watching, verification and valuation of assets and liabilities, audit of financial statements and audit report, cost audit, then the recent trends in auditing, management audit, energy audit, environment audit, systems audit and safety audit. यूनिट 3 इज बिजनेस इकोनॉमिक्स। इसमें सिलेबस सेम है लास्ट टाइम की तरह। मीनिंग एंड स्कोप ऑफ बिजनेस इकोनॉमिक्स, ऑब्जेक्टिव्स ऑफ बिजनेस फर्म्स, डिमांड एनालिसिस, कंज्यूमर बिहेवियर, लॉ ऑफ वेरिएबल प्रोपोर्शंस, थियोरी ऑफ कॉस्ट, प्राइस डिटर्मिनेशन अंडर वेरियस मार्केट फॉर्म्स एंड प्राइसिंग स्ट्रेटजीज। यूनिट 4 इज बिजनेस फाइनेंस। इसमें इंटरनेशनल मॉनेटरी सिस्टम को ऐड किया गया है, लाइक इंटरनेशनल आर्बिट्रेज, मल्टीनेशनल कैपिटल बजटिंग, international financial markets, euro currency, GDR, ADR, and we have to cover the other topics like scope and sources of finance, lease financing, cost of capital, capital structure, capital budgeting decisions, working capital management, risk and return analysis, international monetary system. Unit 5 is business statistics and research methods. Here we have to cover measures of central tendency, measures of dispersion, measures of skewness, correlation and regression. इसमें जो ऐड किया गया है वो है प्रोबेबिलिटी, अप्रोचेस टू प्रोबेबिलिटी, बेस थ्योरम, बायनोमियल, पॉइजन एंड नॉर्मल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशंस, देन रिसर्च। इन रिसर्च वी हैव टू कवर द कंसेप्ट एंड टाइप्स, रिसर्च डिजाइंस, डेटा कलेक्शन एंड क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ डेटा, सैम्पलिंग एंड एस्टिमेशन, हाइपोथेसिस टेस्टिंग एंड रिपोर्ट राइटिंग। यूनिट 6 इज बिजनेस मैनेजमेंट एंड ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट। पहले ये भी दो यूनिट हुआ करता था, बिजनेस मैनेजमेंट अलग एंड ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट। अब इसको कंपाइल करके एक में कर दिया गया है। एंड हेयर वी हैव टू कवर द टॉपिक्स ऑफ बिजनेस मैनेजमेंट एंड द टॉपिक्स ऑफ ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट। सो द टॉपिक्स आर प्रिंसिपल्स एंड फंक्शंस ऑफ मैनेजमेंट, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन स्ट्रक्चर, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एंड अथॉरिटी, मोटिवेशन एंड लीडरशिप, कॉर्पोरेट गवर्नेंस एंड बिजनेस एथिक्स, ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट, compensation management, performance appraisal, collective bargaining and workers' participation in management, personality and organizational structure. Unit 7 is banking and financial institutions. Here we have to cover the overview of Indian financial systems, types of banks, functions and role of RBI, banking sector reforms, financial markets, financial institutions, financial regulators in India. Then we have digitization of banking and other financial services like internet banking, mobile banking, digital payment system. ये नया टॉपिक ऐड हुआ है। साथ ही साथ we have to cover the insurance, types of insurance, life and non-life insurance, risk classification and management, factors limiting the insurability of risk, reinsurance, regulatory framework of insurance, IRDA and its role. Unit 8 is marketing management. In marketing management we have to cover the topics like marketing, product decisions, pricing decisions, promotion decisions. Then we have distribution decisions, service marketing, consumer behavior, trends in marketing, logistics management. Unit 9 is legal aspects of business. यह यूनिट पूरी तरह से नया ऐड किया गया है और इसमें we have to cover many topics like Indian Contract Act 1872, elements of valid contract, capacity of parties, free consent, discharge of a contract, breach of a contract and remedies against breach, quasi contract. Then we have to cover special contracts like contracts of indemnity and guarantee, contracts of bailment and pledge, contracts of agency. Then we have Sale of Goods Act 1930, Negotiable Instruments Act 1881 and the Companies Act 2013. Also we have to cover limited liability partnership and the Competition Act 2002, Information Technology Act 2000, RTI Act 2005, intellectual property rights like patents, trademarks and copyrights, emerging issues in intellectual property. Also GST has been added In GST, we have to cover objectives and main provisions, benefits of GST, implementation mechanism, working of dual GST. The unit 10 is income tax and corporate tax planning. Here we have to cover the basic concepts, residential status, tax incidence, and other points related to income tax. Then we have to cover international taxation also, like double taxation and its avoidance mechanism, corporate tax planning, in which we have to cover concepts and significance of corporate tax planning, tax avoidance versus tax evasion, techniques of corporate tax planning, tax considerations in special business situations, make or buy decisions, own or lease an asset, retain, renewal or replacement of asset. Then we have the deduction and collection of tax at source, advance payment of tax, e-filing of income tax returns. So this was the complete syllabus of paper 2 commerce, and this is the preparation strategy for NET JRF commerce. All these things are required to qualify the NET JRF. First one is self study along with proper guidance. Then we have to take a positive attitude towards the exam and be regular in studies. You need to have an ample practice of questions as per the NET exam pattern, like assertion reasoning questions, match the following, correct incorrect statements and क्विक क्वेश्चन सॉल्विंग स्किल, क्योंकि एग्जाम में टाइम काफ़ी कम होता है एंड वी हैव टू सॉल्व नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस विद इन द गिवन टाइम. So we cover all these features in our group and try to provide the maximum to the members who join. So in case you are interested to join, you can contact me. And this is the previous batch Facebook group where the number of questions like 1387 questions were posted last time. And these are some of the reviews of our group. You can check the screenshots of the same. This was the previous WhatsApp group and these are the reviews by our students. In case you are interested to join our group, which is going to begin from 15th of January, you can enroll now. The group will begin from 15th of January. The admin team comprises of me and Jyoti Tandon, and you can contact via call or WhatsApp on 8178193240. Thank you. In case आपको हमारा वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब द चैनल. Thank you very much.